guys, it's Marcy Klein with 62nd South Bay, and my guest is Henry Boger with Pacific Blue Air LA. And tell us why the South Bay is so great to fly in.
I could have chosen anywhere, but I never realized how beautiful flying down the beaches and around Palos Verdes was until I started doing it, and everybody loves it. The people here are incredible. The weather is awesome, of course. I mean, we have these beautiful sunny days most of the year, and so for flying, it's absolutely perfect. Light winds, which are awesome, and then just the scenery you see here. It's one of the most beautiful places on the planet. See all kinds of great sea life. I see sharks by Manhattan Beach Pier.
Really?
Quite a few sharks by Manhattan Beach Pier.
Not good because I'm a surfer. Okay.
It's funny too. The people that I take from Manhattan Beach are like, "Don't show me the sharks. We don't want to see them. We know they're there." And during January, February, and March, we see whales. So because it's whale migration season, and they're coming up the coastline, and it's the most insanely gorgeous viewing vessel from the trike to see the whales.
Awesome.
Yeah.
All right. Well, Henry, thank you so much for being here.
Marcy, thanks for having me, and come back and fly with us some more.
I will, for sure. And I'll bring some friends.
Good.